Hello and welcome to Daily Dynamic News. This is your host Swarnim Kasana, and today we are in Delhi at Shiksha Mahotsav Delhi 2024, where students, teachers, parents and extreme career experts from many top colleges and universities are here to provide free career guidance and tips to all the students who are searching for ways they can make their career in. So let's get forward to this event. So this is the area where all the students, parents, teachers and all the career experts are discussing all the plans, all the career advices, all the tips they can give to the children. They are sharing about their colleges, the pamphlets, and you can see around me that people are discussing all these things. So let's talk to these people who are giving these advices, that what have they discovered till now. Hello and welcome, sir. Please introduce yourself.
Myself, Dr. Rochak Bajpayee, and I am representing the Kite Group of institutions. We are 25-year-old institute associated with AKTU, APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, and we are offering BTech, MBA, and MCA and pharmacy courses to the students.
So how kind of experience has been till now with students? You know, students are having what type of main confusions in their mind?
The main confusion is associated with what stream to choose. They had completed their +2 or graduation and they are thinking about, because perspective is like that one, the industry is changing very rapidly. At the same time, students are not aware about, their awareness level is not up to that very level. So our objective is to bridge that particular gap, to make them aware what field they should choose, and depending on their interest and their capacity, they can choose any courses.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, ma'am, please introduce yourself.
I'm Preeti Mehta, introducing Alampat Complete Business School based out at Ahmedabad. We are here to represent our school because we are very much specialized in the field of commerce and finance, and we have special course in bachelor's and master's. We are into Shiksha Mahotsav in different cities, but very awesome experience. Children are coming here, taking interest and showing it. Actually, taking interest in education is very good because certain states does not show interest. We are very happy with the show.
And how do you plan on guiding students who are, you know, confused on still like what they want to do in life?
See, normally everybody is very much confused. They don't know what actually they want from their life. They are pursuing for certain courses, but actually they don't know what will happen when they pursue these courses. So our funda is very clear what you want from your life. Good money, respectful profile and stability. If you're looking for these three things, we are here for you. So that is the guide. Courses, many options are available. Look for the courses which are suitable for you and which can give you these three things which are required in your life. So that is our funda. We'll guide children on that parameters, not to stretch them towards us, because that will not make them successful.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Sir, please introduce yourself and the university you're representing.
Okay, my name is Himanshu and I am representing here Devbhoomi Uttarakhand University from Dehradun.
So what kind of common confusions have you found in the students' mind?
Actually, in today's generation, they are very much confused about for which degree they should pursue now. Like currently in the current today generation environment, there are very much confusion. In BTech Computer Science, only in BTech Computer Science, there are 5 further specialization, 5 to 6 further specializations. So we need to clarify and we need to suggestion, we need to give the like a career guidance to the student that for which specialization they can go.
थैंक यू सो मच। तो अब हमारे साथ मौजूद है शिक्षा महोत्सव से कुछ खास मेहमान। मैं सर को इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूँगी। सर का नाम है श्रीकांत और हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं जगजीत सिंह बामरा सर। सर, मैं आपका दोनों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ हमारे चैनल में। हमें थोड़ा सा हमारी ऑडियंस को इस शिक्षा महोत्सव के बारे में बताएं।
This Shiksha Mahotsav, we are participating for the past 2-3 years onwards. It's nice. Lot of people are coming, lot of students are coming, lot of universities are participating. It's a good insight for the +2 students. They can understand where they have to take the admissions and everything. Lot of admission counselings are happening. It's nice. So It's all going on.
So what kind of response have you gotten from children till now?
बेसिकली ये ऐसे फेयर्स हम पहले भी चाहते हैं एंड इक्फाई ग्रुप का हमेशा से ये उद्देश्य रहा है कि वो ऐसे फेयर्स में पार्ट लेता है, क्योंकि हमारा मोटो यही है कि हम चाहते हैं अच्छी और अफोर्डेबल एजुकेशन जो है वो सबकी रीच में जानी चाहिए, और ऐसे मैसेज को बच्चों तक या मास्टर्स तक पास करने के लिए ऐसे फेयर जो है वो बहुत अच्छे रहते हैं। और ऐसे फेयर्स में बच्चे जो आते हैं जानकारी लेते हैं और फिर वो अपने अगले फ्यूचर के लिए अच्छा निर्णय लेने के लिए बाध्य हो जाते हैं, अच्छा उनको सबक मिल जाता है कि वो एक अच्छा डिसीजन ले पाए।
तो सर यहाँ करीब कितनी यूनिवर्सिटीज, कितने कॉलेजेस शामिल हैं, कितने बच्चों को अभी तक आप गाइड कर चुके हैं?
बेसिकली अभी इस ये फ्लोर में तकरीबन 15 से 18 यूनिवर्सिटीज़ आई हुई हैं जो कि डिफरेंट स्टेट से बिलोंग करती हैं। इसमें मैं एक थोड़ी सी चीज़ ये ऐड कर दूं कि इक्फाई ग्रुप जो है वो एक बहुत पुराना ग्रुप है और प्योरली एजुकेशनिस्ट है। यहाँ पे कोई इनका दूसरा कोई बिजनेस नहीं है। पिछले तकरीबन 40 साल से हम एजुकेशन में हैं और हमारे टोटल 11 यूनिवर्सिटीज़, 9 बी स्कूल्स, 7 टेक स्कूल्स, 8 लॉ स्कूल्स एंड 2 फार्मा स्कूल हैं, विच इज़ मतलब जो इसको एक अच्छा ब्रांड बनाती है। और नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होने के नाते हमारे यहाँ से बहुत सारे बच्चे जो हैं, जब बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स हैं वो अच्छा फ़ायदा उठा रहे हैं।
तो आजकल के बच्चों में मेन आपने क्या कंफ्यूजन पाया है करियर को लेके?
Which programs to take? What are the universities we have to go? What is the infrastructure? So what are the type of facilities available, faculties, all these different types of doubts people are having. So once they come to here, they will meet the faculties, they will know what is the infra that is available, placements, everything they will be knowing here from the faculties and from the admission council, so that they can take the choice and they can go.
Thank you so much, sir. हमें अपना समय देने के लिए। Ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Dr. Mamta Shankar from KR Mangalam University, located in Sona Road in Gurgaon.
So, in today's event, how has your experience been with students?
So there are a lot of students who've come in, and what I can see here is that the students are very aware and they have some basic idea of what they want to do. However, our job here today is to ensure that the students choose a career or a study program which really suits them, their personality, their skill set. A lot of times what happens is that the student will choose what they think is trending, and what is trending today will not be the same 4-5 years down the line. So our job here today is to help the students to choose the correct path, their career path, because what we keep telling the students is that now that they're out of school and entering college life, they need to start taking the reins of their career in their own hands. I'm very happy to see that the students are very well aware and they do know a lot of options. However, as we know, sometimes too many options leads to confusions. So that's what we're aimed at today.
Thank you so much. So please introduce yourself and your university you are representing.
So विश्वकर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी जो है वो पुणे की टॉप 3 यूनिवर्सिटी में आती है। ये स्टेट प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी है। हमारे मेन 3 कैंपस है वहाँ पर, VIT, VIIT एंड VU। सो हमारा 3rd कैंपस जो है वो स्टेट प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी में आता है। सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे हमारे एवरी ईयर 4000 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स रहते हैं जो आउट ऑफ इंडिया से भी रहते हैं एंड इंडिया से भी रहते हैं। एंड बेसिकली यहाँ का बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि हमारे जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको हम इंटर्नशिप प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जो कि फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में भी है एंड इंडिया में भी है। सो ये बेस्ट थिंग है हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी की।
Okay, till now, what kind of response have you got from kids?
सो सभी स्टूडेंट का यही रिस्पॉन्स रहा है लाइक कि यहाँ पे जो उनको प्लेसमेंट मिलती है उनका पैकेज जो है कि मतलब एवरी स्टूडेंट को हम प्लेसमेंट करा के ही देते हैं। हमारे 100+ मतलब 100% स्टूडेंट का प्लेसमेंट होता है। वो 9% समथिंग कुछ स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं जिनकी बैक्स वगैरह आ जाती है या फिर जिन्होंने खुद से ही प्लेसमेंट नहीं लिया। अदरवाइज हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का प्लेसमेंट काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है। सो ये हमारे स्टूडेंट खुद फीडबैक देते हैं हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए।
Thank you so much. So this was all about Shiksha Mahotsav in Delhi today, and we saw how students have been guided by all career experts from different colleges from all the country, and we can see how the children are getting guidance on what career, on what courses to choose. Their confusions are being removed, and we will meet you in the next video in a new event. Till then, stay tuned with Daily Diary News.